Clifton, you're the most famous man in Jamaica. Eh?
Well,
What's happened to you since? People come up to you and say things to you?
well, since this happened,
Yeah.
I just must do like interview.
But, I mean, people don't see you in the street and say, see the brother there?
Well, yes, yeah, that happened in my community, you know, because I work in my community, so I just come town for special reasons. So I don't really come town since often from that happened.
Right.
Yeah, because I can walk to work.
You can cross it.
Yeah.
Well, I learned to cross it from my little baby. I learned to cross the river.
You could swim.
Yeah, I grow that way.
And you're not a fisherman. Because you say only you and fisherman can cross it.
Well, the long and short of it, why I use
Fisherwoman.
fisherman and fisherwoman for in time, you have to brave to cross river, you know?
Yeah.
A lot of us in the hills live close river, you have to cross the river to go home.
Right.
Yeah, so my mama told me that we have this problem like for about 60 a year. Yeah, so when I saw the news team come, I really feel good to talk about the problem that we have in the community. And when the rain fall, the kids them cannot get fake cross to go to school.
Right. Another feature of your appearance is the helmet. Why you had the work hat?
Okay, the way you saw me dress
Yes.
is my work suit.
Oh.